All right, boys, so it is officially time to start diving into Pop's car, and we're gonna get rolling today. And so far, I don't have a name for it. I've asked the wife what she thinks. We're not sure. So for now, we're just calling it Pop's car, so everybody knows what this is. But let me go ahead and show you what we're working with here today. As far as getting this thing back right, and I forgot to include this. We're gonna start basic tune-up. Plugs, wires. Just OE Ford stuff, guys. It's going back stock. Plugs, wires, cap, rotor, stock plugs. I'm gonna change the oil, fuel filter. I'm getting rid of that garbage chrome upper radiator hose, just because we want it to look good. So next on the docket, check this stuff out. All right, so I'm sure you guys remember Jason's Black on Black 93 that's been on the channel here recently. Well, obviously, he's not needing all his stock stuff, so I got a super clean that's about to fall off. Yeah, super clean air box, mass airflow meter, and air intake tube with all the hardware. Get rid of that crappy, rusty, cold air intake. So that's kind of what's on the docket today. Probably go ahead and set the timing, see how the car starts running. But yeah, let's get rolling on this old thing. All right, boys, so underside is done. Got the oil changed, fuel filter is on, and I'm a little bit concerned, I'm not gonna lie, well, if the oil filter didn't have any oil in it. It had some at some point, but not typical. So we're just gonna roll with it, see what happens. Now let's do some tune-up action here. All right, boys, so all the plugs are out and they're all pretty much the same. They're Motorcraft Platinum, so it's had plugs at some point, but this plug, kind of oil soaked. It's a lot of oil soaked. So that's definitely not promising either. But let's go put more in and see what happens. All right, so we're mid-project here, boys. Tune-up pretty well done, and we were thinking about running that Pro-M, and then Dover pointed out, hey, those are blue top injectors. So at some point, somebody put 24-pound injectors in this for no good reason. Bone stock engine. Oh, geez. So we've got the stock mass air over there, but it's not going to work. So probably just kind of leave it like this at the moment, and then come back, pull that plenum off, and pull those injectors out, put 19s back in it, and then we can run the stock mass airflow meter. I have no idea why would anybody put 24-pound injectors on a stock engine. And then the throttle body, I don't know if you can see, guys, in there. See, we're putting a bigger throttle body on 4 to 8, but we're also porting the intake, and you can see why. Somebody put this giant throttle body on there, and they didn't port the intake, so it does 0. Absolutely 0. But she's tuned up and has oil in it. It does look like somebody at some point put the better valve cover gaskets, so that's a good thing. Alright guys, much as I hate to, I think I'm going to go ahead and call it a day at the moment. Gotten a lot done. I went ahead and got the airbox in. Obviously, I'm going to pull the plenum back off, put 19-pound injectors back in it, and there's a bunch of just stuff down in there, so I'm gonna go ahead and vacuum that and then blow it out, clean it all up. While I'm in there, I'm gonna check all the vacuum lines, make sure none of them are jacked up, dry rotted, holes missing, anything like that. So probably a good idea anyway, and get those injectors out of there, so they don't need to be in there. And I may, y'all, at some point go ahead and put like a Pro M for 19 on there. They do pick up a little power, but I mean, how much do you really need as far as, you know, her just cruising and stuff like that? So we'll see. I don't know. You know, it's not really a big deal. I am going to we'll show you a few things that are off. That garbage is gone. This garbage is gone. That garbage is gone. I've got all the HID, most of the HID garbage gone. So I still need to do a little tracing, figure out what in the heck is going on with this stuff. This is for the fan. The fan is gone. I haven't taken it off because I don't have another fan to go back on it. I'm gonna take that smog pump delete pulley off and run the belt without that, because it's just unnecessary. Doesn't need to be there. I need to order this excuse me, I need to order this AC line. I mean, I don't really think that's gonna work out too well, but yes guys, and please, yes, I am going to clean up the spark plug wires, organize them, you know, put them in looms. But I got all the BS for mounting the pin on cow hood, so it's a start. You know, oil change, plugs, cap, rotor, wires, fuel filter. Needs a lot. H-pipe on the way, new O2 sensors. Luckily the harness is still down there. So we're gonna put an off-road H-pipe on it, brand new oxygen sensors, plug those up, and I think she'll run really freaking good. Gonna get clutch fan back on. I'm a little concerned about that cylinder with the way the plug looked, and I'm a little concerned why there wasn't a whole heck of a lot of oil in the filter when I changed it. But other than that, I mean, huge changes, guys. It looks so much better already. All right, guys, without getting too long-winded, because I can get long-winded, I do have a lot of cool stuff coming for the car. You know, just old stock replacement stuff that you're gonna love. And really, I'm gonna do light resto under the hood, as you've seen today, get the car back running right. Needs wheel bearings and stuff like that, new seals, all that. Probably just replace the brakes altogether. I've got some stuff coming for the interior light resto there. Nothing too crazy yet. Right now the goal is to get it on the road, get everything kind of sorted and get it rolling, and then at that point we'll dive in a little bit deeper and tackle some of the more difficult stuff. But overall, so far, good to go. So if you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. If you have not seen the video about why this car is special and how we got it, definitely go back and watch that. Definitely bring tissue. Later.